Welcome back, YouTube. So today we're going to get started on our 1960 Impala for the Dakota digital dash installation. So the first step is to get these old gauges out because we have to reuse the bezels to put the new gauges in, and then we will see how that looks. So let's get going. So we have our gauges out. So next we have to turn this over and remove them from the pods and then install our new Dakota digital gauges. So we have all our gauges mounted. They look really nice. I like that silver against the red background. I like that. So now we're gonna put our pods back inside the car and we will fire it up. So we have our gauges mounted. Let's fire them up and see how they look. So we'll just enter demo mode. Just so you can see everything. And this is really beautiful. So this is the HDX series Dakota digital for a 1960 Impala. Check us out here at White One Auto. I want to give a big shout out to the customer again, Hassan, for letting us get this vehicle ready and bringing it to the next level. LS swap overdrive trans, Dakota digital dash. Another shop did the vintage air. But we also added a tilt steering column. So this thing is coming along real nice. So next thing we have to do is we have to fix our cooling lines. And then once that is done, we will start with the wiring. So thank you once again. This is White One Auto.